Run Like a Dog, sponsored by the South Bay Veterinary Hospital in Olympia, has been a South Sound tradition for nearly a decade. Join us on location as we find out what everyone is barking about.
3, 2, 1, go!
Well, we've been coming here as a business for about 3 years, and I've been running it for 2. And we do it to kind of show our support for Thurston County Animal Services. And it's kind of fun because we get to run with the dogs, like a dog, and have a really good time. A lot of good people, a lot of good dog owners. And it's a perfect place to kind of showcase the business and see all these people that really get into the dogs.
Hi, Mike Murphy here from South Bay Veterinary Hospital. We're just really great to have everybody out here today for Run Like a Dog. This event is to benefit the Thurston County Humane Society and all the pets that are cared for under the leadership of the Thurston County Humane Society. So thanks for everyone for coming out today to Run Like a Dog.
Hi, I'm Ron Molitor.
And I'm Michelle Shoemaker.
We're owners here at South Bay Veterinary Hospital.
We're here doing Run Like a Dog and helping host the great community event.
This is our 8th annual Run Like a Dog charity event. The monies go to the Thurston County Humane Society.
We love doing this for the community to get everybody out with their animals and just out running a good fitness activity and an activity with their animals.
I'm Doug Howie. I'm the president of the Thurston County Humane Society. This event is our main fundraiser every year, and it's a wonderful event. It gets us in advertisement and gets a lot of funds for us. We don't receive any funds from any other organizations other than things that are given directly to us. We do get some funds from the combined fund that the state of Washington puts together.
Thanks for watching in the South Sound, and we hope that you were enjoying these shows as much as we enjoy making them. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our posts on Facebook to help spread the word. I'm Rachel Young. See you later.